Hi, and welcome to the second season of My Real Sources Quick Tips. I'm Debbie Fajardo, Director of Education, and we're continuing to bringing you the tips you've grown to love. We've got great content to help you navigate Paragon and all of the great resources we have. I hope you'll enjoy today's quick tip.
Recently, we shared our quick tip number 12 from September 2020 about posting your listings to social media using the single property website. So if you love our single property website, you'll love the property inventory links to easily set your social media marketing up for the week. Let's see how to get that done. If you're staff for the office, you'll want to select the Offices tab from the Market Monitor to find your entire office's listings. Now today, I'm using Nicole Ulewitz's account with Vanguard Realty Group. So I'll select the 31 listings their office has. From the spreadsheet view, you can simply select the box to the left, then the actions icon from the blue bar, and select any one of these actions you'd like to do, but you would send them to the single property website. So let's see what it's going to look like if you're an agent. So from the resources icon, I'd want to select my property inventory links. So this is going to be all your available inventory that you can share on social media. You see that you have active, pending, and sold listings as well that you can advertise on social media. So we'll simply select the first one. Now from here, if I want to schedule my marketing for the week, I would want to copy the URL in the very top link. I would want to go to Facebook. This is how I would do my Facebook marketing for the week. You're going to want to go to the pages you manage. I'm going to use Big Red Homes. This is a non-published page. So from here, you'll want to select your publishing tools. And in the top right, create a post. I'm going to enter the link into the preview right here. I'm going to paste, because I just had that from here. Then I'll go in and add a text from here. I'll use one I previously created. And then what you're going to do, if you publish it, it's going to go now. So you want to hit the down arrow and schedule the post, set a date and time, save that, and now schedule your post. It's that easy to repeat the steps, to go back to your property inventory links, select another listing, copy the URL, go over to Facebook, create a post, we'll do this one for Tuesday. There's the link, and then copy my predetermined text that I had from earlier and schedule the post. And now you'll see that you've got a few posts ready to go. So let's go back and look at those property inventory links and see what they look like. So even your pending. Remember, when you open your single property website, these are the things that you have available to you. Over on the right-hand side, you can share directly to Facebook now. You can tweet these, pin it, send it in an email, and of course, share it on LinkedIn. And as shown in the quick tip number 12 from Colleen DeLang, she told you a lot about what's on this page here. It is personally branded to you. You have your gallery of photos. And if you had a video in here as well, it would also show up. The map of the home and contact information. Remember, you can request a showing from here as well. It is a request that goes to the listing agent. A nice clean look at everything this listing has to offer. And then, of course, how to get in touch with the listing agent. Thank you, Nicole Ulowitz, for allowing us to use your beautiful listing today. And remember, if you've enjoyed today's quick tip, don't forget to tap the thumbs up and subscribe to the My Real Source Media YouTube channel if you haven't done so already.